So we have said that there are 3 states of matter. Okay. Now based on the properties, we have categorized matter into 3 states, that is solids, liquids and gases. So what are solids, children? Solids are those which have a definite volume, definite shape, okay? They have several free surfaces. They are least compressible and have maximum density. So let us list out few examples of the solids. Okay, so we have your books. Aren't they solids, children? Yes, they have a definite shape. They do have a definite volume. They cannot be compressed, okay, and they do have density, and they have, of course, many free surfaces. Other examples are your pen, your pencil, your bag, okay, then the rice, okay, and then your eraser, okay. So these are the few examples of solids. Yes, your chair on which you are sitting, the table which you are writing on, all these are also solids. Now coming to liquids, children, okay, a liquid is that state of matter which has a definite volume but does not have a definite shape. It takes the shape of the container. Okay, and moreover, these liquids have only one free surface and they are slightly compressible. Now let us list out few examples of liquids. Okay, the common liquid which we come across every day, water. Then the milk you drink, the tea, the coffee, any juices, okay, and these liquids can flow also, children, right? Okay. Then coming to the gases, okay, the excellent example of gas is air, and then we have oxygen. All these are gases, children, which do not have a definite shape, neither do have a definite volume. They do not have any free surfaces. They are highly compressible, okay, and they are least dense. Okay, then we have nitrogen, then we have helium, okay, water vapor. All these are examples of gases.